Um, what could this be? Let's find out. I don't know. I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is a skirt I bought for myself. And this one, my husband better not come and catch me. Okay. This was meant to be two. Should be two in one. I don't know why it's one. Winter is by the corner. We are getting ready for winter. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Like I said, we're getting ready for winter. Two-piece top. Don't know what that is. Oh no, this is quite small. I got it from my dad, but it looks small. Let's see. It looks really small. Oh my god. It's so cozy and fluffy. It's not that small. I bought this for my dad. This is for my husband. I don't know what we'll be doing with this. He asked me to buy this for him. I don't know what for. This socks are for my husband. Adidas socks. Okay guys, I'll do this one later. Bye. Let me know if you want this.